if you read even comments,
Yeah.
which people tell me, they're like, oh, why is she working? She should be with Taimur. Or why is she doing this? She should be with it. I mean, like, you know,
Yeah.
I mean, who does all this and who says this?
People make it more difficult than it really is. I think if you're confident, I heard a zillion things and I tried a zillion things and I failed a zillion times. And then one fine day I said, I'm just going to do what I feel is right, you know, because I'm not, no mum ever does anything wrong for their children, so I just went with that gut and I said that, yeah, I'll listen to everyone and I'll take the best, but eventually I'm their mum and it's my decision to make, and too bad for them that, this is it. It just never mattered to me because I was never taught it. So if you teach them right, they're going to learn what they,
जो बड़ा बेटा है आर्यन, तो उसने मुझे पिछले साल एक बात कही बहुत खूबसूरत सी। तो उसने कहा हम जब बड़े हुए तो हमने कुछ होता देखा, बाजीगर देखा, बिकॉज दे वर बॉर्न 4-5 years आफ्टर दोस फिल्म्स। इसे बट अब्राम के पास कोई ऐसा अच्छा कैरेक्टर और कमर्शियल फिल्म नहीं जिसको देखकर वो माने कि उसका बाप इतना बड़ा स्टार है। तो अगले 3-4 साल के अंदर आप एक ऐसी कमाल की फिल्म बना लेना। सो अब्राम ऑल्सो नोज why so many people love him. So yeah, I'll work very hard to make sure I do some new characters.
My kids have a relationship with Ma Durga where my little one, Alisa, says, look, Mama, she's also a single mother like you. She always comes and says that. She comes with 4 babies and no husband. And my older one, Renee, she looks at Ma Durga with a lot more sense of belonging. She thinks that she represents the form of Shakti that she's famous for. So yeah, I'm blessed. I have 2 amazing little, so I call one Lakshmi and one Saraswati. So according to Alisa, now all that is pending is I need Ganpati and Kartikeya and our family will be complete.
आज ही की बात है, मेरा बेटा स्कूल से आया, थोड़ा उखड़ा हुआ था, नाराज था एंड मेरी मतलब समझ में नहीं आया और साइकिल लेके समुंदर किनारे पे चला गया साइकिलिंग करने। और फिर मैंने फोन करके उससे बात की और कहा, डैड आई एम इन लॉट ऑफ स्ट्रेस, मुझे बहुत प्रॉब्लम हो गई। क्या हुआ बेटा? डैड होमवर्क है, फिर मुझे स्पोर्ट्स पे जाना है, फुटबॉल खेलना है, ये बहुत सारी चीज़ें कर रहा हूँ मैं, और आप भी कहते हो फिर स्पोर्ट्स पे मुझे कराटे करना है, ये करना है, तो मैं आई कांट कोप अप विद इट। एंड आई वाज जस्ट थिंकिंग अबाउट अ स्ट्रेस एंड आई रियलाइज दैट आई शुड जस्ट मेक हिम अंडरस्टैंड कि इतना स्ट्रेस ना लें, इस चीज़ को आराम से प्यार से इसको समझाया मैंने एंड आई गॉट हिम बैक। सो ये जो छोटी छोटी चीज़ें उनको समझाना, इट इज़ अ वेरी एसेंशियल थिंग and that makes a lot of difference.
Protect is the key word that I think it's natural. It's a natural instinct of every parent.
Yeah.
There's no going away from that. That is who we are, and we'll always be till I keep saying my last breath or our last breath on this planet. So that's a given. Having said that, this is a given. I mean, however much we might want to discuss it, let's face our reality, it's not going away. This is the way of our chosen life.
Yeah.
This is part of our industry. This is part of, it's like, several years ago people used to discuss brickbats or reviews and कैसा लगता है? अरे पर है, इससे कोई कहीं नहीं जाने वाला. This is there. For me, the most important aspect of my life is my child, and for me, whatever I need to tell him needs to be dealt with in the right manner. I need to, make sure that whatever I tell him doesn't have unnecessary repercussions.
No, she's not very chill.
I'm calm.
She is also very strict with her son. Not very strict. What I'm saying, she's she has the rules, the do's, the don'ts. But she's more easy in terms of stress management or crisis management. For me, it's like, everything becomes like huge. If the kid has one small fall, I'm like, I get I'm learning every day, but I guess that's the personality difference. Like I never thought I'll be a hyper mom.
Yeah.
Everyone always thought I'll be a super chill, cool mom.
Yeah, actually,
Yeah,
even
but
I
she
thought.
is. She's a little hyper because I guess she's just she gets stressed. I'm not
super-
like that.
yeah.
Nothing stresses me out. I'm like, yeah, okay, fine. You've fallen down. It's okay. Get up. You'll be fine. You're a boy. Run around. You'll fall again. I'm like that.
Nobody knows what my equation is, what my life is, and I just feel that as a working woman, if my child knows that and grows up knowing that his mother is a working
Yeah.
woman, his respect for women will grow tenfold.
Yeah.
And I want to make a man of him. I want to make a man who will know that.
Yeah.
Because he should know both his parents have worked really hard to give him a life. Even in the sense, Temu sometimes even if we want to take a picture, he's sometimes no photos. Now he's learned how to say that also.
Yeah.
That no pictures, no photos, because he's constantly being watched. And he realizes that he's, being clicked now. Well, of course, I mean, this culture has, it's been there for a while, and I think nobody's saying not to do their job. Everybody's saying just to give them a little space. Because, they're children and they need an environment to grow up which is safe and secure,
Yeah.
where they can be the way they want. And that's just the way we want our
Absolutely.
children to be in.